Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 200 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to look for HP OfficeJet 200 drivers. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with the HP OfficeJet 200 mobile printer series software and drivers. Open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down and expand underneath installation software and drivers. And there should be an item in here that says installation software and full/basic driver support. Select the OfficeJet 200 mobile print and scan driver and go ahead and begin that download. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file and let it extract. It should be from a signed verified publisher. It should be HP Inc. You want to select yes if you receive a user account control prompt on that. And then you just want to proceed with the on-screen directions here of configuring your printer based on your preferences and needs of your device. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.